Hello would-be parents. Welcome to world's first and most trusted Garbh Sanskar application. If I would ask you a simple question, what is your goal of pregnancy? Then you would reply me that you wanted to enjoy your pregnancy just like festival in a positive, joyful and virtuous manner, and by enjoying your pregnancy in that manner you wanted to have happy, healthy, sanskari and intelligent child. Then you are at right place, because our team of 100 plus experts have studied Indian ancient science Garbh Sanskar and studied modern scientific research papers and have prepared one lifestyle. In this lifestyle, we are offering you daily 12 activities for better intelligent quotient, physical quotient, spiritual quotient and emotional quotient development. For better intelligent quotient development, we are daily gonna provide you puzzle, right brain development activity and one video. For emotional quotient development, we are going to provide you daily one story, biography and Garbh Samvad. Yes, that is baby bonding activity which would help to establish emotional bond with unborn child. For physical quotient development, you are daily gonna receive yoga routine, diet chart which includes daily diet chart, monthly diet tips, recipes and nutrition guideline. You are also gonna receive tips for physical development. For social and spiritual quotient development, you are going to receive prayer, spiritual activity and Sanskrit sloka with meaning. Tomorrow you are going to receive new 12 activities. In total, these 12 activities would require 20 to 30 minutes to spend. What we recommend, you need not to practice all these 12 activities in a single go. Just divide this 12 activity in a daily routine. So within 24-hour time frame, you can practice it. And if you are going to practice this 12 activity on a daily basis without fail, then that would be the positive start of your pregnancy and it will definitely give you positivity in your pregnancy. Everybody has got every sort of knowledge. But if you are not putting this knowledge into action, then that knowledge is useless. So if you wanted to learn swimming, then by simply watching video or by simply reading book, you cannot learn swimming. For learning swimming, you need to jump into the water and you need to apply the methods and tricks that your coach is teaching to you, right? So same way our team of 100 plus experts have prepared this 12 activities based lifestyle for you. And if you are going to put it into action, if you are going to practice it, then that would be the best start for your unborn child. And in case of any query, there is a chat button in your application. Just hit that and just contact to the team of experts. We would be happy to help you. For positive and joyful pregnancy, subscribe Garbh Sanskar Guru App. Happy Garbh Sanskar.
जॉयफुल और पॉजिटिव प्रेगनेंसी के लिए आज ही ज्वाइन करें गर्भ संस्कार गुरु।